Good morning, happy Wednesday. It's May 13th, and today in math we have some more activities that are just reviewing counting those mixed coins. They will look very similar to the ones yesterday. And then we have reflex math today. I'll go ahead and show you what those activities look like. So we have money 10 and money 11 today. Let's see where my money 10 went. Here it is. So I'm not going to open this up all the way, but it looks exactly like the one yesterday, just the coin values are different. I would encourage you to draw the hairs on top of the money to help you count as you go along. Again, you can use the drawing tool or the text tool to write your total amount in the box at the end. Money 11, let's see. Just the format is a little bit different on this one. It works the same way. I'm not going to fully open it all the way so I don't lose my spot. There's just 4 boxes, okay? And this one does have some of the updated coins. So look closely at them. When you do those, you can use the drawing tool to draw the hairs on top of the coins, and you can use the text tool to write the correct amount. Boys and girls, don't forget to either write the word cents at the end of your amount or draw in the cents sign. Okay, it's a C with a line through it. That tells me that you're counting a collection of money. Looking back at our calendar, we have an activity on character traits. There is a video that I will show you in Seesaw. This is done by Mrs. Sander, and Mrs. Sander is going to give you some clues in the video to help you with your character traits activity for today. Okay, so it says complete the worksheet. Given the evidence, clues from the video, write a trait to describe Roger. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. So here's the what the activity will look like, and you'll listen to her video first. So click over here on the video first, okay? And then you can click Add Response, and then it will show you the response page, okay? And then you can write the character traits over here. If you don't like typing on here, you know, use the text box and write the character trait in here, or you can write in your journal and then click over here where it says add a page. It'll bring you a new page, and then you can click on the photo button, take a picture of your work. Remember to stretch it big so I can see it, and then you can click the check mark button. Okay, so that's how you add another page. So I can see your work if you're writing in your journal or another piece of paper. Okay. Looking back at our calendar, we have our second grammar page today. You can use slide 4 to help you. Today the pronouns are I, we, you, and they. And for these pronouns, we do not add S to the verb. Okay. So that's a little bit different than Monday. So let's go ahead and look at that activity. Let's see, here it is, okay? Okay, so you just have to circle the verb that's in the parentheses that agrees with the subject. So I like my highlighter tool. I'm going to pick a fun color today. I'm going to pick purple. And then I'll read the sentence. We like, or we likes, to visit historic places. And a lot of times you'll notice that you'll just hear the one that sounds correct. And this one is we like. So all you have to do is highlight the correct option. If you're using the pencil tool, you'll just circle as best as you can the correct answer. Okay? Click the green check mark when you're done. And how come it won't go back? My computer's frozen, boys and girls. I can't get back to the calendar. but the only thing left on the calendar was Raz Kids. Let me click out of here. Maybe that's why. The only thing left on the calendar was Raz Kids. So just go ahead, read a story, and answer the questions, and you'll be all set for today. Happy Wednesday!